Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. We are back to familiar territory and today we're going to be talking about something slightly awkward, a little taboo if you will, but I felt like if I don't talk about it, who's gonna talk about it? Somebody has to talk about it. Somebody stop me. Alright guys, without beating around the bush, which I am inclined to do right now because I am extremely awkward about this. But the product we're going to be reviewing and talking about today is the female condom. This is the Domina from the brand PeeSafe. First of all, I'm sure you'll have a lot of questions for me. Let me try and address as many as I can. How did I hear about this? The brand PeeSafe itself contacted me to do a sponsored video, but that sponsorship just did not fan out. It was just not working out. But I got this by myself from Amazon because I still wanted to talk about this product on my YouTube channel because I feel like this is a product that can empower women and help a lot of women out. Something like the power to choose your protection does not have to always lay on the man's hand. I think it's amazing for women to be able to take that power back, the control back, and use protection by herself if she wants to make her own choice, which is why I was extremely intrigued by this whole product and I felt like this needed a little bit of awareness. Secondly, for many reasons which I'm not gonna detail right now, I did not use it. So how did I get to test it? I sent this over to a friend of mine. I asked her to test it out and give me word by word detail of what went down, how she liked it, how her partner liked it, and so that is what I'm going to be including in today's video. So first of all, let's take a look at the packaging, guys. The packaging is kind of squished up because this package definitely traveled a lot to her, back to me, all of that. Obviously, I don't have a used condom in there. This pack comes with 2 condoms and the price of this is, if I remember right, 199 rupees. Yes, that is right. So off the bat, I was a little put off by the fact that this is 199 rupees for just 2 condoms. I'm not sure what is the price of male condoms, but I know you get a huge pack, like a dozen or whatnot, for a much cheaper price. We can Google it right. Hold on. Let's get the facts right. Alright, so we have Durex for 10 numbers, it's 352. We have many types, so the price really depends on the style type. The type that you buy. Basically, it ranges between 264 rupees to 350 rupees for 10 numbers if you're looking at the brand Durex. So if we take an average of 300 rupees for 10 numbers, that is 30 rupees for 1 condom for male condoms. And for the female condom, it is 99.5 rupees. Basically 100 bucks for 1 condom, which, why? You want to empower the women, but also give them equality when it comes to pricing. That is just off the bat what I realized when I was buying this. Let's also talk about a couple of things that I felt when I saw the package. I love the package, I love the designing, I love the name Domina. Domina itself kind of says you've got the power, you've got the control. I love it all. When you flip to the back, you do have a pictorial of how to use it and what it looks like, a little diagram of what it is, and I like that too because I personally have never seen a product like this anywhere in the world, let alone in the Indian market. So to tell your consumers what this is on the back of the pack is definitely helpful. A condom for her, feel the change. A female condom is designed to be retained in the vagina during Look, I understand if you are uncomfortable watching this video. So I will not feel bad if you click out of it, okay? But I think it's important for someone to talk about all of this. I'm just doing it. During sex, to prevent pregnancy and transmission of sexually transmitted infections. It's lavender scented, nominal width, they've gotten the size and everything, electronically tested, no side effects, unique design, lubricated. They've got an internal retainer ring and an external retainer ring. Okay. That is everything about the package itself, and when you take the stuff out, it comes with an instruction manual, like a proper detailed description of how you're gonna use it. It also comes with a nice paper bag like the kind you get when you buy your pads to dispose, which is amazing. And then in a sealed bag, you get the female condom itself. Yeah, not gonna lie, guys. I'm trying to put this confident face on. It is a little awkward, okay? Whew, and I'm sweating profusely, but let's get on with this. What we're gonna do is rip this open, take a look at what it looks like. So this is what the condom comes out looking like. And it is lubricated, so it's kind of, I'm so sorry guys, this is too graphic, but I'm sure you were curious to see what it looked like, right? I was curious as well. So that's what it looks like. So as per the instruction, what you're supposed to do is fold this. This is like a sponge bit, okay? It's very soft and squishy and everything. It's just gonna help you retain the condom inside of your body. You're supposed to fold this in half and insert this all the way inside, and this will stay outside of your body, and that is about it. Whew, that was awkward. Let me take this out of my face. Dispose it off in the nice paper discreet trash bag. And okay, now let's get into the review aspect of it. So my friend said that the whole insertion aspect was very awkward and non-sexy for them. Probably because this is such a unique product. Nobody has used something like this. So obviously, probably I'm thinking a first time would be awkward for the woman to put on the condom versus the man. But anyway, she said the whole act of it was a little embarrassing. It kind of took the vibe out. It was not as smooth as you would think. Secondly, she spoke about how effective it was. She said it was very, very effective. It stayed in place. It didn't come out or anything. Number three, was it comfortable? She said it was not very comfortable for the guy. It was also, did she say noisy? I think I want to say that. She said it was noisy. It was not a snug fit. When you think about a male condom, it's a snug fit, but this is just a standard size which you just have to insert, and it was kind of all over the place. How do we make this review informational without being awkward? Okay. I think that is everything that she told me. I asked her, would she buy this? Would she use this again? Well, she's in a committed relationship. She's married to her husband. So in her case, she said she will not be buying this anymore because they might as well use traditional methods of contraception. Now, here is my take on the whole thing. I think that this is an amazing change to an extremely male balanced aspect of our society. Usually, in this respect, women are not given most of the power or say in how they want to go about things. Like, even if there is a certain way they want to proceed with their life, their sexual aspect, the man is the one who ultimately makes the call. And then as a couple, you come to your consensus or whatever it is. It's a personal choice, of course. But the fact that women have the option, women have something that they can carry themselves is absolutely amazing. Now, can you carry this in your pocket? Not really. Is it as discreet as a male condom would be? Not really. But also, our bodies are different. You have to consider that while designing something like this. Can you put this into a bag? Yeah, I guess you can, but it's not as inconspicuous as one would hope for it to be. But if you want to take control over your life, and if you want to keep yourself protected from diseases and unwanted pregnancy, I think this is fabulous. What I would like to see though is a change in the price point, because like we did the calculation in the beginning of the video, I think it's just unfair that women have to pay more. Also, if it is more comfortable while the man wears a condom, why will anyone even use the female condom? So here I am starting a conversation about this. I want to know what you think about it, and if you have any questions, I can ring her up, and yeah, let's take this conversation forward, guys. That's it from me for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and if you would like me to do more such videos, definitely click that thumbs up button just underneath this video, and I shall see you in my next one. I love you. Next one, guys, I promise it's gonna be skincare, a lot more easier to watch and a lot more easier for me to film as well. Also, if you are interested in what's on my face, my makeup and everything, guys, I don't even have foundation on. This is my easy, quick, lazy, no effort makeup tutorial. I have a video of it right here. The only difference is for my eyeshadow, I used the Thun Beauty palette, and the eyeshadow colors I used is Pinot Noir, Bed of Roses, and the same ColourPop, the glitter shimmer that I used right here. And on the lips, oh, I added the Pinot Noir on top just to get the exact purpley shade that I wanted. So that is everything that I wanted to say in this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. Mwah. Bye.